Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best gaming desktop computer in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have ROG Strix GA35 Gaming Desktop PC. Vertically mounted NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 24GB GDDR6X. Liquid-cooled AMD Ryzen 9 5900X processor, 64M cache, up to 4.8 GHz. 1TB hyperdrive SYNC-MEM.2 SSD, up to 3200 MB per second, plus 2TB 7200 RPM HDD 32GB 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. At number 5 we have CyberPower PC Gaming Desktop. Gamer Supreme Liquid Cool Gaming Desktop Computer, Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, 7 colors RGB Gaming Mouse, Driver Discs, Power Cord, CyberPower PC 1-year limited warranty. At number 4 we have MSI Aegis RS Gaming Desktop. Cutting-edge gaming, the 12th General Intel Core i9 overclockable processors with a hybrid architecture deliver maximum gameplay efficiency, multitask work, and productivity. It all starts now. Enjoy the latest generation Windows 11 Home for great software compatibility for your everyday needs. At number 3 we have CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme Liquid. CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme Liquid Cool Gaming Desktop Computer, 7 colors RGB Gaming Keyboard and Mouse, Power Cord, CyberPower PC 1-year limited warranty. At number 2 we have Asus ROG Strix G35CZ. Vertically mounted NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 24GB GDDR6X GPU ports, 1x HDMI, 3x DP. Liquid-cooled Intel Core i9-10900KF processor, full-core factory overclock. 1TB hyperdrive SYNC-MEM.2 SSD, up to 3200 MB per second, plus 2TB 7200 RPM HDD 32GB 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. At number 1 we have Skytech Prism 2 Gaming PC Desktop. Intel Core i9-12900K 3.2 GHz, 5.1 GHz max boost, CPU processor 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, up to 30x faster than traditional HDD 360mm AIO. RTX 3090 24GB GDDR6X graphics card, brand may vary, 32GB DDR5 RGB gaming memory with heat spreader Windows 10 Home 64-bit.